engineer who joins at the moment has the opportunity to get in on the ground floor of a complete query engine rewrite in a unique setting that really, you're not going to get the opportunity to do that in any other company. I think when I joined, we were still kind of in the startup phase, or we're just coming out of the startup phase. We've certainly exploded in growth since then. But a large part of the reason why I'm still here and why I'm still enjoying the work is, aside from the technical challenges, because I think we've managed to retain that startup feel even as we've grown. The company, I would say as a whole, is very engineering focused, very engineering oriented. All of our processes, all of our efforts are geared towards helping the engineers do their work more productively, with greater satisfaction, making things easier for them basically. Kind of acting as human shields to stop any overhead from the engineers. I'm still having a lot of fun here after 7 years because the culture is so good. It's highly collaborative, I would say. So you're working with a group of extremely smart, broadly a diverse range of past experiences. In terms of the company as a whole, I'm very excited to see how far we can take it and how far we can expand our presence in the market, the data platform as a whole. And I would like to hope that MongoDB increasingly becomes the default choice for people who are building next generation applications.